Hey guys, how are you? Hope so you're doing well. My name is Hari Kumar and today I'm going to discuss about use of mind. Actually, I have already uploaded two videos related to this structure. As we can see, structure number 20. Okay, structure number 18 and the structure number 19. I have already uploaded. So first of all, you have to watch those videos. Then you have to come for this video. Then you will get it very easily because all these videos are just relevant to this one. Understood? So this structure shows about first especially about compulsion as well as the duty. This structure shows about compulsion as well as the duty. Okay, so what is compulsion and what is duty you know very well because one sentence and the one structure I have just given related to this one, that is about compulsion. Okay, so definitely you will just know about the compulsion as well as the duty. So the structure is here: subject plus might plus have plus to plus given plus object. This is a special structure related to this models, right? Now how to identify this structure? So if we see and if sentence ends with ना पढ़ता होगा, okay, ना पढ़ता होगा, तो for that we have to use this structure: subject plus might plus have plus to plus given plus object. As we can see, just like आपको सुबह में उठना पड़ता होगा, okay, तो you might have to wake up in the morning. हम लोगों को जीने के लिए कमाना पड़ता होगा. We might have to earn for survive. उड़ीसा के लोगों को गर्मी के दिनों में जल संकट का सामना करना पड़ता होगा. This is a two long sentences, right? So we don't have to worry. This is a very easy. It is a very common. Simply we have to take and simply we have to consider about the structure that is here. Subject उड़ीसा के लोगों को, that's a subject, right? Then हमें लगाना might. I have just used here the people of Orissa, right? The people of Orissa, उड़ीसा के लोगों को, right? Might. Then I have just used here might. Then have to, right here have to, okay. Then see, we just need the verb. We just need the verb, right? So what is the verb? सामना करना पड़ता होगा. तो सामना करना पड़ता होगा to face. Okay, क्या सामना करना पड़ता होगा? जल संकट का सामना. तो वाटर क्राइसिस कब करना पड़ेगा? गर्मी के दिनों में. In the day of summer. तो the people of Orissa might have to फेस वाटर क्राइसिस इन द डे ऑफ समर. उड़ीसा के लोगों को गर्मी के दिनों में जल संकट का सामना करना पड़ता होगा. ओके गाइस, सो सी द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज हियर. रामू को व्यापार चलाना पड़ता होगा. रामू इज अ सब्जेक्ट. might have to run business. रामू might have to run business. रामू को व्यापार चलाना पड़ता होगा. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना पड़ता होगा. I don't know English how to speak, but it is a compulsion for me. That is why I have to speak English. Okay, so see, I might have to speak English. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना पड़ेगा. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना पड़ता होगा. Okay, मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना पड़ेगा. I have to speak English. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना है. I have to speak English. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना पड़ सकता है. I may have to speak English. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना पड़ता होगा. I might have to speak English. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना था. I had to speak English. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने वाला हूँ. I am to speak English. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने वाला था. I was to speak English. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने ही वाला था. I was about to speak English. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने ही वाला हूँ. I am about to speak English. मैं अंग्रेजी बोल पाता हूँ. I am able to speak English. मैं अंग्रेजी बोल पाता था. I was able to speak English. So as I have just said, these are the sentences and these all the sentences are just from a special structures, right? So this is a special structure and that was related about might, okay, and that's a modal form. So guys, here I have just given all this explanation. Suppose you want to convert into the negative or the interrogative or the WH, for that we have to use might के बाद आपको नोट लगाना है. Then that will converted, okay, that will be converted into negative. अगर आपको इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना, for that we have to use might plus subject plus have plus to plus given plus object. means सबसे पहले might को यूज करेंगे, then as it is हमें लिखना होगा, राइट? अगर मुझे WH word कन्वर्ट करना है तो WH word के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू यूज द WH word स्ट्रक्चर. देन might, then subject, then have, then to, then V1, then object. At the last of a structure, at the last of a sentence, we have to put question mark. Okay, and that will be converted into the WH word. So I hope you will get it this structure very easily and nicely. So guys, you must watch this video till last and definitely you will get very nicely. Okay guys, so if you have just not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon.